ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you.
Tapos yung swipe na yan, ano yan?
Ano kapag
Alis
gusto
lang.
mong i-adjust yung exposure. Pero mag-show up na ngayon siya kasi bago pa. Pero mawawala din yun.
So ngayon, ganyan lang siya. So hindi ko siya gagalawin, ganyan lang siya.
Mawawala.
Hindi ko makita yun.
Sabi niya i-adjust mo the exposure. Swipe from right edge to adjust exposure.
We're
Ayan.
not opening air at those.
Sa brightness. Ang ganda. Hi guys, welcome to my osmosis. Nag-work na guys. Diba? Si Tito Dan niya, binibigay siya ng kanyang baong bukas kasi mag-ano na kami, magdi-depart na kami. Oh, Ate Holly, oh my God, you got lots of snack. Good. Baon ni Tito Dan. Ilalagay lang yun sa ziplock.
Para walang noise guys. Kasi hindi na pwede yung lalagay ng pagkain.
Ikaw na talaga Ate Holly, ang daming baon. Magdala rin tayong plastic just in case sumuka ka na.
Oh yeah, bring a bag, vomit bag.
Yeah, just in case. May freezer ba? Yeah, that one, yeah. That one. It's your face. Para sa face mo, thank you. Oh, para isahan mo lang ate kasi bawal ang marami. Okay na yan ate. Yeah, that's alright na baba.
Take a bigger one.
No, it's alright na that one, baby. That's fine. That's fine, yeah. Because we're vibrating already. We're vibrating, girl. Mix of everything ba na ito?
Pati lollipop mo yan.
Yeah, lollipops, nice.
Hindi ka lang delikado.
Delikado yung lollipop na. Paano mo yung tatakot eh?
Kaya, ganun ka na lang. Ang dami yung baon. Siya na talagang maraming baon.
I got lots of snacks.
Yeah. You put that in mommy's bag, okay? Ang linis kasi ng bus. Pag bumaba ka, ang linis lahat. Kaya hindi siya pwedeng. Hindi siya talaga pwedeng ano. Akyat mo yan kasi maiwan mo pa yan. Ay, akin yung nagala. Paso matunog yan.
Hindi, may iwas, di ba?
In the morning, you guys having breakfast before you leave? Or
No, we're good. No, we're good. Thank you. No, we're good.
We're
We're
going to
just-
get McDonald's or what? Or not?
Okay, thank you.
Eh, give yan. Drive
Yeah.
naman.
Of course you do.
No. Okay na.
Kasi ba madaliin mo pagkain?
Bag masuka pa matay. Masuk. Dong, ano ba yung kakain mo, Dong? Alis namin ni Holly. 7:45 na. 8:40 ang pick up sa amin sa bus. So, maya-maya alis na kami. And, gamit ko na itong ating bagong camera. Baba, say good morning.
Morning.
Good morning. Ayun na yung luggage namin. So, bababa na kami.
Whatever you do, don't forget me. 'Cause you're not that left behind my arms. Every touch my heart goes boom. Baby, I can't get over you. I can't. You make me feel good. Gonna make
Find your seat.
you mine, baby.
Our seat is 2C, 2D. 2C. Here, baby. Here. Oh, this one.
No matter the distance, I still want you. All I do is think about the night.
Ito pala yung pinak ni Tito Dan sa kanyang snacks. Merong Oreo, shapes, snake, lollipop. And you had lollipop already, right?
Just the Coke flavor.
The Coke flavor. And yeah, thank you. What you gonna say to Tito Dan, Tito Reyes?
Thank you.
Thank you for the snacks. Ayan, kinakain niya.
Thank you for letting us stay at your house.
What again?
And thank you for letting us stay at your house.
Yes, thank you. Ayan, thank you. May snack siya. Bawal kasi magbaon dito, guys, na snack. So, ang ginawa ni Tito Dan, pinalagay dyan dito sa ziplock para hindi maingay. Right, Baba? Dito na pala kami, guys, sa Keith. Magla-lunch.
It's 11:55.
11:55. So, may 40 minutes, 35 to 40 minutes lunch kami. Ang init-init. Come on, Baba. Go inside. So, ito yung order namin. The same nung papunta ng Adelaide. Malaki lang yung kanyang lalagyan. Ayan. Small to pero ang dami.
It is small.
Yeah, it's small.
So big.
It is big. Alright. Kain kami. Yeah.
Serbia.
Yeah.
We got a Fanta too.
Hmm?
Fanta.
It's very hot, okay? Ito yung chicken namin. Same din. Yung buto-buto sa akin si Holly. That's it. Go eat.
Probably the gravy that's hot. Just something up better.
The one in the house.
Yeah, but driving time like that cake or biscuit?
The okay. Ay.
Don't mind the back of my hair. Just have some good sleeves. Have good sleeves.
Naubos ko yung chicken. Si Holly isang chicken lang siya na nuggets. Ayan, naubos ko yung chicken ko. And kinain ko yung ibang chicken ni Holly. Isa lang yung kinain niya. 3 nuggets yung in-order ko. And ayun, may tira pa. Sobrang busog na ako. And yung chips, ito kasi yung pinakamaliit na may gravy. Meron silang maliit na chips na walang gravy. Si Holly gusto niya may gravy. Ito yung pinakamaliit, pero hindi naman namin kaya kasi sobrang dami. So, tapos na kami kumain. And ayan yung aming inumins. Fanta. Sankis sana sasabihin ko. So, magligpit na ako dito kasi break na kami sa bus. Ayan na siya. Time is it now, Babo?
It's 3:53.
3:53.
I guessed it right.
my luggage bag?
Somebody is sleep on the bed. Oh, you Frank?
Yeah. Stop kayo dito sa Sushi Hero. First time namin pupunta dito kasi ito si Sak nag-crave ng sushi. Malapit lang to sa Coles. Oops, akala ko. Sana bukas. Si open? Okay. Ano siya? Train. Sushi Train. Okay. Hi. And sushi bar. Ah, that one is good, Sako. Okay, this one. You want this? Do you have chicken tempura? Crispy chicken? Or how about this one, Sak? You want crispy chicken? And the seaweed. No, that one is not good. Okay, they only have one left, Sak. How many? How many you want? Huh? 4. 4 pieces, please. What else do you have? Do you need anything? No. Okay, that's it. You want this one, sir? Seaweed? And one seaweed, please. One day we can sit here, Zach, okay? Have lunch here. It looks nice. One day dito tayo mag-lunch. Yeah? Yeah, you can just grab it. Alright, pay now, Zach. And the seaweed, please. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Are you open every day?
Yeah, we're open.
What time you open?
From 10 o'clock to 9 o'clock. Next door.
9 o'clock. Oh, yeah, that one.
Next door.
9 o'clock in the evening. Thank you. Okay. Huh? Welcome.
Gosh, that's what he said. Why she also bring their coins?
Oh, because so you can give us the bill instead of coins change.
Welcome, this is your life now, a wasteland where we all take a vow. With some glow due to radiation, two heads where there usually is one. Unsung. With you, I know we'll find.
For what?
Did you
My camera?
door?
1,100 something. Nagtanong siya kung magkano na daw yung bili natin. We're home, guys. And si Sak naglaba. And ayan yung mga nilaban niya. Ipakita ko sa inyo. Alam ko na-record ko yung sinabi ko. Sabi ko, si Sak naglaba siya. And yung hamper na yan, sa caravan yan. So, dinala nila dito para maglaba. And what did you say, Sak? Ha? Si Dad daw ang nag-fold ng clothes. Tingnan niya yung fold ni Daddy. At least nag-effort. Cute.
Cause I think I do want you next